If you're dealing with breakage, shedding, alopecia, slow growth, and you're looking for something that is inexpensive and natural to grow out your hair, this video is what you should be watching if you really want to grow out your hair. Because in today's video, we are going to dive into the natural, most powerful hair growth remedy, which is guava leaf. For centuries, people across Africa, Asia, Latin America have used guava leaf as a natural treatment to strengthen and stop shedding and also promote rapid growth. Nature has indeed blessed us by providing everything we need to grow out thick and long hair. So you don't have to break the bank. You don't have to buy the most expensive oils to grow out your hair. When you have herbs that can facilitate and take care of your scalp while your hair grows. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and make it your place, because on this channel I ensure that I provide different recipes that you can use from the comfort of your home to grow out your hair without spending a dime. So now let me tell you why guava leaf might be the hair growth portion you've been searching for. Guava leaf is packed with vitamin C that boosts collagen production and strengthens the hair roots. It contains a lot of antioxidant properties that protects the hair from free radical damages. It also contains flavonoids that improve blood circulation to the scalp. It strengthens the hair follicle and reduces shedding, meaning if your problem is breakage and shedding, this guava leaf is a must try. It also contains antimicrobial compounds that fight dandruff, scalp irritation, and scalp infection. Guava extract, when applied to the scalp, this nutrient penetrates into the hair follicle, feeding them directly and stimulating hair growth. Think of guava leaf as a natural fertilizer for your scalp. Don't even think of joking with this. It might be cheap, it might be everywhere. You don't even need to spend a dime to make this, but the effect is worth a million. So this is exactly what this extract will do for you if you use it consistently. Number one, it is going to reduce your hair shedding drastically because it contains a bioactive compound that strengthens the root and prevents breakage. Number two, it will stimulate hair growth. This will increase blood circulation to your scalp, hereby delivering all the essential nutrients needed for your hair to grow. It is also excellent for fighting dandruff. It has antibacterial properties that eliminate dandruff causing fungi. It is soothing to the scalp because it has anti-inflammatory agents that reduces itching and irritation. It also adds shine and thickness to hair. By sealing the hair cuticles, guava leaves makes the hair look healthier and fuller. So if you're dealing with hair thinning, bald spots, or slow growth, guava leaf is an affordable solution for you. I can go on and on with the benefits of guava leaf, but let me just tell you how I got here, how I prepared it. All you need is your guava leaf and some water. There are two ways to prepare this. Some people will prefer to boil. I will still tell you the reason later. Why others prefer to extract it fresh. For this video, I am going to keep it fresh. All right. All you need is a little bit of water and your guava leaf, then a blender to blend everything up, and then strain out the juice. It is pretty simple and also effective. Before we get into the two different methods of preparing this, which is the boiling and this one, which is to extract it fresh, let me know the one you prefer in the comment section and why. So now let me break down the two methods of preparing this one. The first one is the boiling method. This method is done with the fresh one or the dry one, whichever one works for this method. You just need to boil it for at least 10 to 20 minutes, strain it, and then you have it. What this method does that it will destroy the vitamin C in this guava leaf, but it will extract the flavonoids and the other nutrients in it, such as the antioxidants. This boiling method will kill the bacteria. Any bacteria left in the guava leaf, heat is definitely going to kill it. This makes it safe for scalp application. This method will give you a clear guava tea, which you can use for rinse, and it also penetrates the scalp easily. You can use this as a final rinse or a daily leave-in. You can also drink it for digestion and immunity. It is also good for dandruff and scalp infections. Now we are done with the boiling method, let's get into the fresh method, which is what we are using in this video. Why I also show you guys how I apply this on my hair. For the application, you can use a cotton wool an applicator bottle or a spray bottle, whichever works better for you. For this method, which is the fresh one, you can only use the fresh guava leaf, wash and blended with a little bit of water, then strain out the juice. Since there's no heat with this one, you preserve the heat sensitive nutrients such as the vitamin C, which the heat of the previous one must have killed, and some enzymes and other nutrients. The juice from this one is usually concentrated and greenish in color. When you boil it, you don't get this greenish color. Remember that. This one also contains tiny fibers that can nourish the hair and sometimes irritates the scalp if not strained properly. I need to ask this question: does fresh guava leaf irritate your scalp? Let me know in the comment section. For this method, you can decide to use it as a hair mask by adding aloe vera, oils, and honeys. You can also apply it to the scalp for maximum boost. It can also be used in skincare as a face toner or for acne. Nature has really blessed us. It's just left for you to know how to put it together and make good use of it. The boiling method can last 3 to 5 days without putting it in the refrigerator, while the fresh one can last 1 to 2 days without refrigerator. So if you want to make the fresh one and you don't have a refrigerator, please ensure you make it in small quantity that you can finish at once so you don't need to store it. The boiling method is easier to penetrate than the fresh one, but the fresh one is more powerful. So let me know in the comment section which method you're willing to try. Many people has reported drastical change while using this guava leaf, even people who is dealing with postpartum shedding. So it is definitely working. Do well to try it. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share the video to your loved one. Thank you for watching. See you in my next upload. Bye.